Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, class this is our last learning objective. Fifth learning objective of a circle, our last. So find the length of a tangent from a point to a circle. Okay, so when you watch the video or refer to your notes, you will know that. Okay, so let's say if you sketch this circle, so this is your center, HK, or in terms of negative G, negative F, or HK also can. Okay, and then you have a point here, x1, y1. Okay, so let's say this is your tangent. You need to find this line. Then you know that when you connect from this line to a center, we call it this one as a radius. And then this is another one, okay, from a center to this point also. Let's say this is D, distance. So you need to find F. So this is like right angle triangle. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so actually there are two methods. The first one by using formula, but this formula I think will not be given during your real exam. If you want to use this formula, you need to memorize it. It is a D equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. It's not really hard. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, so that means, okay, when I'm using this example, find the length of a tangent from point negative 2, 3. So that means x1, y1 here is a negative 2, 3. Substitute here negative 2, 3. Okay, and then to a circle of 2x square plus 2y square minus 7x plus 6y. Here is this circle. 2x square minus 7x is what? Okay, since it's not in state of general equation, because there is a 2 of coefficient of x square and y square, we need to divide by 2. So it will be x square plus y square minus 7 over 2x plus 3y equal to 0. So this is general equation. So from this one, you will know that your g here is equal to, by comparing with the general equation, so your g is a negative 7 over 4. And then your f here is 3 over 2. Or your hk is equal to 7 over 4, negative 3 over 2. Okay, let's say I'm using this formula. Okay, so it will make very simple because you have to substitute into this formula. So it will be x1. x1 is a negative 2 square plus y1. y1 is a 3 square, this one. And then plus 2g. Our g here is this one, negative 7, 4. Okay, negative 7 over 4. And then x1 is negative 2. And then plus 2 f is a 3 over 2. Okay, y1 is a 3. And then plus c. C here is 0. C here is a 0. Okay, and then when you calculate this d here, actually it's not d, it's l. Oh my bad. We want to find this line L. So L here will be equal to 29. Okay. In decimal places, you calculate using your calculator. Okay, let's say if you want to use another method because you do not memorize this formula. Okay, you will lose a certain amount of your time lah. Because you need to find this D first and then also this R radius. Okay, because of you have this general equation, so from this one you can obtain your radius. So how radius equal to square root of D square plus F square minus C. So your G here is equal to negative 7 over 4 bracket square plus your F here is a 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 square, and then minus C. C here is 0. So here you have your R here equal to 85 over 4. Okay, but if you want to round up to decimal places, it's also 10. Okay, next we need to find this D because we have 2 points here between a center to this point of x1, y1, negative 2, 3. So when you have 2 points here, okay, so let's say from this one to this one. So how to find this distance? So this is x1, y1. So this is x2, y2. So how? This distance equal to what? Square root of x1 minus x2, right? Bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square, simple. So this one we are using the similar approach here. So because our first point is negative 2, 3, our next point is what? This center. 7, 4, negative 3 over 2. So we already obtained from this general equation. So when we substitute our D here, so it will be our x1, so let's say our x1 is a negative 2 minus our h is 7 over 4. Bracket square plus our y1 is a 3 minus our f here is a negative 3 over 2. So it will be plus 3 over 2. Bracket square. And you have your distance here equal to what? 361 over 4 or equal to decimal places. So because this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So it will be what? You have L, R, okay, something like this. Okay, this is center and this is x1, y1. Okay, this is a line of tangent that you need to find. So this is D. You already have 361 over 4. And then this is your radius from tangent to this center. Should be this one. 35 over 4. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, you will have L square equal to D square minus R square. So your D square here is equal to what? 361 over 4 bracket square minus R is a 85 over 4 bracket square. And then here L square equal to 29 and your L also equal to 29. Okay, so it's up to you. If you want to use this formula, you need to memorize it. But if not, you need to follow step by step. Okay, that means you need to form this right angle triangle, and then you need to find center, radius, and then you have to determine the distance between center to this point. Okay, simple. Okay, I think that's all for today, and we will continue on exercise. Okay, thank you. Bye.